para makain. Lagyan natin ng mozzarella cheese. Ayan, mozzarella cheese at saka cheese na cream cheese. First ito. Tapos iganyan natin. Spread natin. Yan. Ito yung mozzarella cheese. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin olive oil. Ayan. Lagay natin sa oven. Ayan. Yan na po, Dana. Pwede na tayong mag-almusal. Lagyan natin sa plato. So, yummy. Pwede po yan lagyan ng herb, yung katulad ng oregano, basil. Kung gusto nyo, at mint, pwede po ilagay lang nyo sa yung oregano, lagyan nyo lang ng konting olive oil. Ako kaya po, ayaw kong may herb. Kaya po, ganyan lang siya. Linagay ko dyan, nakita naman ninyo yung cream cheese, pwede yung natural cheese, tapos mozzarella. Pwede naman kayo maglagay dyan na ketchup, tapos ang mozzarella best. Parang pizza ang labas niyan. Tapos lagyan nyo ng ketchup, mozzarella cheese, lagyan nyo ng ano ba yun? Yung kamatis, at saka pepper bell, capsicum po ba? Ang olives, parang pizza ang labas niya. Pwede po. Ano po? Medyo may kainitan, so anuhin natin ng spoon. Yan. Sarap po yan. Ayan na, ayan na. Yung ititira ko rin sa kasama ko. Sabayan na lang natin ang tubig kasi po nagtinap ako kanina. So, ayan. Breakfast time. Lord, salamat sa food. So, yummy. Pwede nyo rin dyan ilagay. Yan yung Kinat ko lang po na bite size. Nag-doorbell po yung laundry. Ganito ang buhay OFW. Kahit kumakain ka, babangon ka, kahit kumakain ka, di gagalaw ka. Nalabas ka pag tinawag ka. Ako pa naman po, pati pag kumakain, ayaw ko yung masyadong magmamadali. Nabubulunan ako. Parang hindi makadiretso yung kinain ko sa loob ng tiyan ko. Parang nababara. Hindi ako pwede sa maradalian. Tinatry ko rin yung gano'n, yung katulad ng nagmumukbang, pero hindi ko po kaya. Hello, sis Maya. Say hi.
Hi.
Sabi ko mag-almasalo na. Take. Take that all. Kakain na din siya. Swerte niya ako ang kasama niya kahit hindi siya nakakaintindi. Ang iba pinapasama nila sa amo, pero ako hindi. Hindi ganon. Kasalanan niya ako nga napapagalitan eh.
Hi, breakfast yan. Breakfast tayo.
Bukas tayo.
Very good. Breakfast.
Ano yun ako nagpapakita sa akin? Cheese!
Cheese.
Mozzarella. Nagustuhan niya. Kung ang pagkain ko, if I have what I ate, also I leave for Sister Maya. The best din? Mama said the fruit's not good.
Not good? Fruit?
The fruits pour up. And then I tell for Baba, sa Baba said, much angry for me yesterday. I said, why you angry for me? I'm not the one to eat, Mama.
Need some fruit?
Yeah.
No, but Mom said no kitchen, no, too close kitchen, leave it. Missing room. I never this.
I said for me, Mama, usually this one not good, the fruits.
No good.
And then I tell for Baba, too much gargar.
Bawa tumil garra?
Yeah, he's shouting for me. I said, why are you shouting for me? I'm not the one to eat, Mama. Mama says the one to tell for me not good the fruits. And then Baba, why you didn't tell me? So that's why I tell you. And then give me the fruits from up. Put it down. When I put it down, and then I want to take the plastic to put the inside the fruits. You are crazy. I bring this one the basket in the supermarket. I take the plastic. I take something to put inside the fruits. Oh, that's awareness, sister.
No problem. Bawa.
Kaya ganun ang buhay ng isang OFW. Buhay ng isang OFW, ganyan.
You can go my Nepal go and you can cooking no cleaning sister.
Ha?
I finish that you can go my Nepal go.
She's very tired. Ang babae pa naman, pag kahit ano lang dito yung mga apo niya, 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, ganyan, 11 or 12, 2 o'clock, nandito. Hanggang mga 7 a.m., p.m., ay naku po, tired na tired yan. Kala mo, iwan, daming trabaho niya. Tapos every week, we have new dress, ha, sister? Every week, but the housemaid, until now, winter, not buy the dress for housemaid. Sino kada? Oh my God. Moist kitchen.
Mas?
Yeah. Open the exhaust fan. Open, sister.
Oh, sister, breakfast. Very good.
Nice one.
Nice.
Come here. Hold from this one. So that me also that so that is say hold like this. Hold it. Hold. Hello, God bless. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Dancing.
Dance?
Dance. Dance.
Nepal dance, filming dance.
Dancing, dancing.
Filming dance? No. Nepal dance is Nepal filming dance is yeah, sound. Video.
Yeah, I want to put in the YouTube.
No, you don't know. I know.
Alis na siya. O, sige na po. Bye-bye na. God bless.